In a busy city, a teen discovers a hidden rooftop forest where a retired ranger runs a living classroom about fire, water, shelter, and signaling. They practice building a lean-to from bamboo, angle sunlight for warmth, and choose shelter away from strong winds. A sudden drizzle tests waterproofing as they layer moss and mats, turning a rooftop patch into a dry camp. The ranger teaches condensation water traps and reading weather signs to stay safe. At dawn, the city wakes, as the rooftop school proves nature-based education can turn urban spaces into practical survival lessons.